The silent blogger. I went to share my story. Guys, we went to. We went to a coffee shop. Yeah, we went there and we got the tiramisu lattes. I got mine with whole milk.
And I got mine with oat milk. It's good. It's just really thick.
It's a good little creamy drink. If you like Einspawners, you will love this.
Okay. Good to know. Feet shot.
I'm like, for free.
For free is crazy. Yeah, I don't like having my soda. Only when I'm back home.
I like
in like Senegal.
This, like Samuel moment, but then I'm like, ooh, look.
You in the mirror? What the hell?
No, try again.
Try again.
Can I like wait? This is so low.
My brightness. We did a photo booth and our pictures are kind of cute. I won't lie. There.
Oh, we got canceled.
We got
the first outtake.
This is the first one. Let me grab the second one.
We're working on it. Okay.
Okay, the second. Wait, let me look at it first. We have the black and white one.
Very
super cute. I mean, it's only for us sissies. Coffee's also really good. I'm like looking at this coffee sleeve.
Oh, the boba's hot.
You want boba as your drink?
I do. I need a little treat.
Unlettered is to not be wavered. Unlettered means that's not unlettered.
Boba drinking.
Yo, you know what I gotta go.
You want to share with the crowd what's so funny? Okay, why is this like failing? Okay, guys, I'm gonna retry this.
Why is this failing? those buns, right?
That's that. All fair. I've been working on some new little drops in the sound like.